Hello, Assalamu alaikum to my viewers and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and good. Today in this video, I bring some new and unique collection or latest ideas of different crepe paper decorations for my viewers. These are some new and unique ideas that you can use to decorate your different events, gatherings or birthday parties. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love this collection. In this video, I bring some new and unique collection of different crepe paper decorations. These are some new and unique ideas that I will bring for my viewers to decorate your different events, gatherings or parties. These are not any idea that can be specifically used for some specific events, but these are some unique ideas that you can use these ideas on your different family gatherings, birthday parties, different wedding anniversaries. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, there are some new creative craft ideas that are used to decorate your different events for your home gathering, family parties, and you can use it mostly on different birthday ideas. As you have to arrange a theme party, you can use these colorful creative crepe paper decoration ideas. You can create these ideas or decorations by yourself, and you can these are some easy and simply made ideas that you can create at home, whether to arrange a birthday at home and or outside the house. Through these crepe paper decorations, you can create different backdrop wall decorations. Different flowers can be created from these ideas. As earlier I have shared with you different colorful crepe paper flower decorations ideas that you can use, and you can also create a wall of different flowers made with crepe paper and wall covered with these colorful crepe papers, and you can also create a rainbow through it, and different clouds or colorful themes you can create from these sort of colorful paper. I hope you will love this collection, and I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my video for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some new ideas or collection for you. So if you have any requests, do mention in the comment section, and if you have any questions or queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your questions and queries. I hope you will like this video, and if you like it, please share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel, and it encourages me to bring some latest or unique ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you like it. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.